Writing client proposals can be a tedious and time-consuming task. But what if I told you that you could write a professional proposal in just minutes with AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write client proposals with AI in minutes, giving you a tool that will save you time and effort. Stay tuned till the end for a powerful bonus tip on how to level up your proposals even further. We all know how important proposals are when it comes to landing clients. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner, a proposal needs to look professional, highlight the value you're offering, and speak directly to the client's needs. But writing one from scratch can take forever. This is where AI can step in and change the game. First, let's talk about the AI software we'll be using today. You don't need to spend hours writing and tweaking proposals. With the right AI tool, you can automate most of this process. And don't worry, I've tried all the most popular software out there, and I'm sharing the one I recommend in the description below, along with a special, exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. So, how do you get started? Start by opening the software and selecting Proposal as the document type. The AI will ask you a few basic questions about the project. What's the client's name? What are their goals? What's the scope of work? This step is crucial because it helps the AI tailor the proposal to the client's specific needs, making it personalized and more effective. Once you've entered this information, the AI will generate a draft. This isn't a fully written proposal yet, but it's a great start. The next step is to refine the draft. You can adjust the tone and style, add specific details, and include your personal touch. The AI will help structure everything, so it's easy to read and looks professional. No more worrying about formatting or getting the sections in the right order. The software takes care of all that for you. If you're looking to include pricing, this software has a feature that lets you input pricing tables or custom pricing options. This makes your proposal feel even more customized, and it helps you stand out with clear, easy to understand pricing. The AI will also suggest ways to frame your pricing as part of the value you're offering, so your clients can see exactly why your service is worth the investment. The most amazing part? Once you're happy with the proposal, you can generate the final document with a click of a button, and it's ready to send off. You've just saved hours of work and created a polished proposal that looks like it took weeks to prepare. Now, before we finish, here's a quick bonus tip. After you've got your proposal drafted, don't forget to customize it with a personal touch. The AI makes it easy to generate the core content, but a few tweaks to make the proposal sound like you, mentioning your unique approach or sharing a case study, can really make it stand out. Key takeaway: writing client proposals doesn't have to take hours. With AI, you can create professional, personalized proposals in just minutes. By inputting your client's details into the software, refining the draft, and adding your personal touch, you can quickly turn out proposals that get noticed. Remember, if you want to follow along, I've included a link to the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. Make sure to take advantage of that and start saving time on your proposals today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.